Hello everyone, welcome to Vital Technology. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to modify an aftermarket driver door lock cylinder barrel assembly for a BMW E46 to work with your vehicle's original key. By doing this, you'll be able to save the hassle of carrying multiple keys and the expense of purchasing a new lock assembly from the dealership. I am not going to cover how to remove the assembly from the door because there are many videos on the topic already, and the focus of this video is to show you that it is possible to modify other locks to fit your BMW's key. Now let's dive into the process. Here is the door lock assembly that I bought from eBay. Remove the plastic cover from the assembly if you have one. Then remove the safety pin on the back with a pair of pliers and put it aside. Unload the spring-loaded blade, then carefully take apart the rest of the assembly. This lock is a wafer tumbler lock, specifically a double wafer lock because it uses wafers on both sides instead of pins. Without the right key, the wafers stick out of the lock body, binding it to the housing and preventing it from rotating. To modify the lock to work with your vehicle's original key, you'll need to remove and reposition the wafers until they fit correctly, and for the ones that don't fit correctly, you can throw them out or modify them. To remove the lock from the housing, you'll have to insert the key that came with the assembly and it'll come right out. At the moment, the wafers inside of this lock are fitted for the eBay keys, and we want it to work with the key that turns on our vehicle. To achieve this goal, we are going to need to remove the wafers and one by one reposition them while simultaneously inserting and removing the vehicle's original key. Start by inspecting the wafers with your vehicle key inserted and remove any wafers that are not level with the lock body. Reposition the remaining wafers until they fit. You may need to modify the wafers by sanding them down with a Dremel, file, or sandpaper. In my case, I modified 2 of them using sandpaper. Alright, I got 5 out of 8 wafers to fit correctly. Just don't forget to remove the springs from the slots where the unused wafers were to ensure that they do not interfere with the lock's function. Make sure you test your key in the lock and that it turns smoothly. If there is any resistance, check the wafers and make changes as needed. Once you've got the lock working with your key, you can install it on your vehicle and get rid of the extra keys. The best part of this technique is that you can save hundreds of dollars compared to purchasing a new lock assembly from the dealership. Now let's go to my car and test it out. I am at the vehicle with the new lock assembly installed, and I can confirm that the key for the ignition works with the lock on the door. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time on Vital Technology.